Hello guys, in this video we are going to study e-commerce business models. So these are various business models of e-commerce. First one is B2B, that is business to business. B2C is business to consumer. Next one is B2G, that is business to government. Next one is C2C, that is consumer to consumer. Next is G2C, that is government to consumer. And last but not least is G2B, that is government to business. So in B2B e-commerce business model, B2B e-commerce is simply defined as e-commerce between companies. About 80% of e-commerce is of this type, okay? So examples are Intel selling microprocessor to Dell and Heinz selling ketchup to McDonald's. Next one is B2C e-commerce, that is business to consumer e-commerce or B2C e-commerce between companies and consumers. That involves customers gathering information, purchasing physical goods or receiving products over an electronic network. Example is Dell selling me a laptop. As you can see in the diagram, that customer is placing order on the website and order processing lies between website and the business firm on the other end, and business firm is supplying necessitated commodity to the consumer. In B2G e-commerce, business to government e-commerce or B2G is generally defined as commerce between companies and the public sector. It refers to the use of internet for public procurement, licensing procedures and other government related operations. For example, business pay taxes, file reports or sell goods and services to government agencies. As you can see in the figure, business firm is interacting with the website to provide services to the government. Next one is C2C e-commerce. In consumer to consumer e-commerce or C2C is simply commerce between private individuals or consumers. For example, Jasleen Kaur buying an iPod from Slok Singh on eBay, Tavjot Kaur buying a piece of furniture from Gurpratap Singh on OLX. As you can see in the figure as well, customer 1 or consumer 1 is interacting on the website. Customer wants to sell product and he will place advertisement on the website. On the other hand, customer 2 wants to buy a product and customer 2 will watch that advertisement on the website and will contact customer 1. So customer 2 will receive the product and customer 1 will receive the money. Okay. Next one is G2C e-commerce. This model is also a part of e-governance. The objective of this model is to provide good and effective service to each citizen. The government provides various facilities to the citizens through website like information of all government departments, different welfare schemes, application forms, online courses and certifications to be used by the citizens. As you can see in the figure that government is interacting with website to provide services to the citizens. Next one is G2B e-commerce. That is government to business. G2B is a business model that refers to government providing services or information to business organization. Government uses B2G model website to approach business organizations. Such websites support auctions, tenders and application submission functionalities. Okay, as you can see in the figure, government is interacting with the website to provide various services to the business organizations. Thank you so much.